Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be constructing this cycloid. So in the previous video, we drew this construction, and in today's video, we'll be drawing the actual cycloid. We thank you for joining us, and we're starting the video. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna plot the points. So before we plot the points, we're gonna draw a construction line over. So we're gonna go line from there, come across to here, enter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this line. So I'm gonna go copy, copy, copy this line. All right, so we're gonna extend these lines. So we're gonna type extend. I type extend. I'm gonna extend this line. Extend. We're gonna extend this line, this line, this line. Enter. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try change our pointer style. So we're gonna type DDP type, DDP for short. Press enter. And what you can do is change the type of pointer that you want. What we're gonna do, we're gonna mark the points on the cycloid, okay? All right, so we're gonna type the word point. I'm gonna use this command now to mark the point. So the first point would be there, enter. Enter to get back the last command. Or the next point would be right here. The next point would be here. The next point would be there. The next point would be this point, enter. The next point would be right there, enter. The next point would be right here, right? The next point so PO is a shortcut for point. The next point would be here, enter to get back the last command. The next point would be here. 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 And point one would be right there. Enter. So what we're going to use now is the spline command to plot those points. All right. So we're going to type. We're going to select the spline command from here. And we're going to select the points now. So it's there, 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 enter. And this is our spline. All right. Now what we can do now, we can put this cycloid on a different layer. So we're going to make a layer called outline, which is a darker line weight. I'm going to change the line weight to 0.3. Press OK. All right. So we're going to put this now on the outline. It's darker. What we're going to do now, we're going to label it. So we're going to go, all right, so we're going to label it. So we're going to come here, we're going to use that leader line. We're going to click there, there, and we're going to label it cycloid. All right, just like that. All right, so we'll come back now. This is our cycloid. So good job if you follow that up. All right. Now the next thing we can do, we can draw a tangent and normal to the point, right? So what we can do, we can actually put these construction, I'm going to make a construction layer. Construction. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to put these lines on a construction layer, right? So we're going to put the dimension, the circle, and these lines. And the middle line. We're going to put those lines on the construction. I'm going to put all of this on the construction layer. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off this layer, the zero layer. So I'm going to lock it and turn it off. Okay. All right. So there it is. Now I need to see the construction. Let's look if it's on. All right. Let's turn it on. We need to put, so I'm going to select these. Need to put these on the construction layer, which is this one. All right, so we're gonna come again. We're gonna lock this. Gonna turn off this layer. All right, so there it is. We're gonna draw a line to indicate where P is. All right, so we're gonna choose a point on the curve. So we need to draw a line to indicate where P. So we'll click here, enter. This is where P would be, okay? So we're gonna go single line text. Gonna click here. It would be 6, rotational angle 0. This would be P. All right, from P, we're gonna mark an arc, which is equal to the radius of the circle. So we're gonna go arc, center, start, end. We're gonna turn on object snap. So the center would be at the intersection, and the radius would be 50. So we mark an arc 50 to intersect the center line. Where this arc intersects the center line, we're going to drop a perpendicular. To drop a perpendicular, we'll draw an arc. So center, start, the radius is 50, so the arc would have to be about 70. All right, we need to extend this line. So we're going to use the extend command. I'm going to extend this. All right, enter. All right. This arc intersect the baseline. We're going to draw another arc, all right? So we're gonna go center start in. The center would be at this intersection. The radius would be 70. Mark an arc. Gonna repeat the process. Center start in. Radius would be 70. Mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, we're gonna draw a line from here, the intersection here, coming down to this intersection, and press enter. In technical drawing, we normally extend the perpendicular beyond the intersection. All right, so that's a complete decision. The next step now, we have come to the end of part 2 of the series of videos covering the topic cycloid. In today's video, we drew the cycloid which we started in part 1. Now in the next video, we'll be drawing the normal and tangent to the cycloid. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.